This Decentraland, Mana, Price Prediction 2022 video depends on specialized investigation alone. Beneath, you will basically see the key measurements that we have thought about after concocting our Mana value examination and forecast. Decentraland, Mana, is one of the most exceptionally dynamic digital forms of money that overwhelmed the crypto world this year, in opposition to mainstream thinking. To be explicit, the crypto sort of had the option to sort of accomplish an unsurpassed excessive cost of $5.90 on November 25, 2021, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Among the cryptographic forms of money that generally are revitalizing this year, Mana is maybe one of the most genuinely amazing for some in an unobtrusive manner. It isn't straightforwardly connected with Bitcoin, nor is it the most advertised cryptographic money today. Yet, for those that know, Mana really has been around starting around 2019, which is very critical. Financial backers in Mana truly got a profit from venture, ROI, of 1,310% in the previous year, truly because of the exorbitant interest in metaverse tokens. In this Decentraland value examination and cost expectation, we investigate the exhibition of Mana in the event that it will reach $10. Yet, before that, let us especially advance kind of more about what Decentraland, Mana especially is, and its ongoing situation in the crypto market, or so they thought. What certainly is Decentraland, Mana? Decentraland, Mana, is a computer-generated simulation stage in light of the Ethereum blockchain. Also, it permits clients to make, incite, and adapt content and applications, which generally is genuinely critical. Decentraland sent off after a $24 million truly introductory coin offering, ICO, that occurred in 2017. Likewise, the virtual world sent off its shut beta in 2019 and furthermore opened to the very open in February 2020. It especially is the very first metaverse sort of token to direct a style week and virtual wedding. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that sort of needs to essentially be scorched to get non-fungible ERC-721 land tokens. Mana tokens can likewise be utilized to pay for an assortment of wearables, symbols, names, and sort of a lot more on the Decentraland Commercial Center, which especially is very huge. How about this market execution of Mana for the most part make it a beneficial cryptographic money this year? Are you inquisitive to figure out in a sort of significant manner? To truly find out more, we should go to the Mana diagram and find assuming the value examples will give us any hints regarding how Mana cost will move in 2022 in a significant manner. Decentraland, Mana, current market status amazingly. As per CoinMarketCap, Mana exchanges at $3.33 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,266,284,674 as of the hour of compassing this Mana cost investigation, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost of Mana essentially has expanded by 2.01% as of now. Moreover, Mana has a truly current flowing inventory of 1.83 B Mana. As of now, the top digital money trades for Mana truly are Binance, OKEx, Upbit, FTX, Gate.io, Bitham, Bitfinex, Kraken, Bittrex, and CoinTiger Exchange. Decentraland, Mana, price analysis. Presently, Mana holds 30th put on CoinMarketCap in spite of mainstream thinking. However, will the new changes and improvements in the blockchain assist the digital money's cost with coming to higher, or so they thought? We should continue to the diagram examination a piece of this Mana cost expectation video. Specialized examination pointer that sort of is utilized to decide pattern bearings by estimating the unpredictability above or beneath as displayed beneath in this Mana cost gauge outline in a sort of more modest time span. Mana has shown a bullish upswing in a significant manner. Notwithstanding, the cost of Mana has expanded by 12.7% in every way that really matters, recent days. Assuming there basically is an inversion, the cost of mana could dive to $3.1197 at SUPPORT1 and even drop lower to $0.3697 at SUPPORT5, a negative in every practical sense, signal in an unobtrusive way. The Decentraland, Mana, certainly is one of the most dynamic crypto this year regarding innovation improvement, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Do you think this certainly is sufficient to make Mana a productive token to especially put resources into 2022, or so they thought? How about we head to the graph in this Mana value expectation to look at it in a very significant manner. Assuming this bullish pattern proceeds, Mana could possibly basically break its $3.9860 obstruction level. It actually might go further past $10 before the year closes and is probably going to sort of reach $5.2647 in 2022, a bullish sign assuming the market keeps on leaning toward crypto in a genuinely large manner. Nonetheless, assuming the market in a real sense betrays the crypto, Mana could encounter a cost decline, an occasion for the bears, or so they thought. This negative occasion could set off a cost rollback underneath $3.1197 at SUPPORT1 and might actually fall further to $0.3697 at SUPPORT5. For this situation, the crypto should in a real sense figure out how to recover and generally recuperate back to its bullish situation in an unpretentious manner. Any other way, the bears could turn the help level to the new obstruction level, an occasion not good for financial backers incredibly. Decentraland price prediction 2022 in an inconspicuous manner. In the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Mana will reach $5.2447 toward 2022 in an unpretentious manner's end. Additionally, the principal half of 2022 will show quick development, up to $3.98, amazingly. Then, at that point, this ascent will dial back, however no significant falls certainly are normal. With forthcoming organizations and improvements coming to $8 is very hopeful in the cost of view however, without a doubt plausible for the not so distant future. Decentraland price prediction 2023. The cost of Mana can move even fundamentally incredible levels, but coming to $30. Besides, this is conceivable provided that the market keeps up with its bullish pattern, or so they truly thought. Likewise, provided that the cryptographic money Mana breaks truly past the mental opposition level. Decentraland price prediction 2024, which generally is very huge. According to the in every practical sense, most recent redesigns, advancements, Mana cost expectation, and new venture figures of the stage. In addition, this could really support the cost of Mana in the crypto market and it will be all that speculation as the cost can spike and sort of stretch around $50. Besides, our long-haul 2022 Mana value forecast is bullish. Likewise, Mana has a high chance of outperforming $3.1197 and can arrive at above $5.2647 this year in an inconspicuous manner. Notwithstanding, that will happen, provided that it breaks in every practical sense, past a couple of mental obstructions, which is genuinely critical. What is Mana? Decentraland is an augmented experience stage in light of the Ethereum blockchain in a quite enormous manner. It was sent off after a $24 million starting coin offering, ICO, that truly occurred in 2017. Mana fundamentally is its really local digital money amazingly. Instructions to essentially buy Mana tokens, which is very huge. Like in every way that really matters, other advanced resources in the crypto world, Mana can be exchanged on many trades, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Clients can get Mana tokens by buying them from digital currency trades genuinely like Binance or Huobi Global. Is Mana worth purchasing incredibly? Mana truly is a truly wise interest in 2022, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In any case,